You had the pain, you said you're at a 3 right now.
It's a constant discomfort,
Right.
more than anything else.
Okay.
The pain level will go from a 3 to a 5,
Okay.
right, at any given time. If I'm lifting something heavy, it shouldn't hurt.
Okay.
Yeah, like I play tennis, and so when I, extend my arm to throw up the serve,
Yeah.
when I'm doing that, it hurts,
Okay.
right? Like that. Like right now in this position, it hurts.
And when you do that, does it go from a 3 to a 5? Like when you do it right now?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
when the discomfort is felt.
Okay.
So when it's bent in certain positions.
Okay, because what I'd like to do is, based on what you're telling me now, you're at a 3, and then we can get you to a 5, right? And then, so if we, after treatment, I just want to see what it looks like, right?
Beautiful.
So that way we can show you in this one treatment that we can get your pain level down.
Great.
So,
Fantastic.
cool. This machine, it creates a shockwave, right? A shockwave, kind of like what we find in nature. So when a jet breaks the sound barrier, there's a sonic boom, but there's also a physical force that comes out of it, right?
Sure.
Waves, right? Sound waves. And so that's what this does. And so just to let you know, I'll have you put it on your hand, but that's actually creating a shockwave right now outside of the body, right?
Sure.
And so we're going to put that on your body. We're going to use a gel that's going to go basically from water in here, water here, and then water inside your body.
Nice.
And so it's all a sound wave. So you can try it on your hand here. And so over healthy tissue, you really don't feel anything, right?
Sure.
And so, but what this does is it allows me to go off of your biofeedback. So you're going to tell me kind of where to go. So I don't have to come here and be the expert and tell you where your pain's at. So you can go and tell me exactly where to go. And so over healthy tissue, as I'm going around, you shouldn't really feel a whole lot. But then as I get to the place where there's some healing that's needed, you should feel a hot spot there.
Sensitivity.
Yep.
Right.
And so ideally what I'm going to do is I'm going to get you to a 5 or a 6 in discomfort.
Yeah.
If it gets higher than that, I can tone it down. Right now it's at a level 9. It goes up to a 16.
Sure.
And so we'll get you to a 5 or a 6. And then I'm going to continue to treat until I get you down to a 0 in this one treatment.
Beautiful.
And you were saying most of your pain is...
It's right from here
Okay.
to here.
Okay.
Right? And then depends on what I do, right? So if I straighten it out,
Right.
it hurt. But if I do that, then it hurts right there.
Okay.
Right?